So today is new car collection day for us at CBS Automotive and Cambridge Car Audio. We're all really excited to pick up our brand new demo vehicle. So we're going to be heading over to a local main dealership very shortly to pick up the new car. So let's get started. So we're in our current demo car at the moment. We're really excited to go pick up our new vehicle. Really actually at the same time quite sad to see this one leave us. So this demo car is a Mk7.5 Golf, which you may have seen the other video we've done on this system, which is basically it's had over the last 3 years since we've owned this vehicle, it's had two different systems. One's an Audison Prima setup, and then we changed it over to an Audison Voce system. So in the new car, what we're going to do is something rather special, so stay tuned to that and make sure you press the subscribe button below, and I'll keep you up to date with all our latest videos. So I hope that you've enjoyed this video. You've seen our new car being collected. So make sure you stay tuned by pressing the subscribe button below. We're going to do loads of installs on this vehicle. It's having a complete custom sound system. We're going to add dash cameras, some other gadgets as well. So if you press that subscribe button, it'll keep you up to date with all of our progress videos on this particular vehicle, as well as the fact you can see other installs that we're carrying out. But thank you very much, guys, and we look forward to upgrading your car soon. Thank you.